Hi guys, this is Frederick, creator of VoltMap. Today we're gonna wire up an ACR VSR unit. I already prepared a schema, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna wire up this. If you don't know what it is, by the way, you can open the left panel here, which is the full library of components available in this app. And you'll see this little icon here. So you can always click, let's find this VSR, and you can click there and you can read a full description of what it does, what it is, what it's for, how it's connected, everything basically. Okay, so now let's connect this VSR unit. First, let me just show you what I have here on my chart. So you see one circuit here to the left and another one to the right. This to the left is the starter battery circuit, and then to the right we have the house battery circuit. On the left here we basically have an engine. So you see the alternator, the engine block, and the starter motor. So those three together is an engine. And if we turn the engine on, so let's illustrate that by switch the power on the alternator, we can see how current flows through this fuse to the bus bar and through that fuse back to the starter battery. But you see nothing is happening here to the house battery. So currently our house battery is not being charged. And that's what we want to fix with this VSR unit. Basically we want to charge the house battery when the starter battery is full. So let me show you how to wire that up. So you draw a wire from the starter battery to the VSR start bat port, and then you just apply. This will add a fuse, this will set correct wire gauge depending on the wire lengths and so forth. And then next thing, we draw a new wire from the house bat output port to the house battery, and again apply the suggestions for fuse and wire gauges. Let's just clean it up by putting it there. And one final thing, let's just ground this as well. Okay, so now let's have a look. When we turn this on, we can see how the current flows through to the bus bar, then to the starter battery, from there via this fuse down to the VSR unit. And if the starter battery is full, it will close and the current goes all the way up here to our house battery. So now both our batteries are being charged. Okay, hope that helped.